Hello, this is Scott Thorley with AMS Protractor, and this is a quick video showing you how to set up and use the AMS ShopFix Sales Tracker export tool to export your data from Protractor into the ShopFix Sales Tracker. First, let's cover the setup. We want to set up an API connection. So in Protractor, we go to Home, Setup, we search for Integrated Services, and I'm going to click the Add button. This brings up a window with the 3 connection strings we want. I'm going to put the name in here for it. And then I'm going to click on the Copy button, which is going to copy those 3 keys above. And make sure you click OK once you're done. Then I'm going to bring up the Excel spreadsheet for the AMS ShopFix Sales Tracker. Notice there are 3 tabs on the bottom. The Summary, where you copy the data from, and the parameters. For the initial setup only, I'm going to go to the parameters, and you'll notice it's looking for these 3 keys. I usually click a box down here, right click and say paste, and it pastes in the 3 keys. I'm just going to copy those 3 keys, Control C copy, Control V paste, and copy those 3 keys into the 3 fields above. Then I'm going to go back to the Summary tab. And I'm going to put in the date range I want to look for. In this case, I'm going to do March 1st to March 31st. And I'm going to click Refresh Data. Now before I do that, notice that of these 3 tabs, I'm currently on the ShopFix Summary tab. As soon as I click Update Data, it's going to ask me to refresh. I say yes. It grabs the data. Now it's automatically moved me to the Copy Data tab. This Copy Data tab is where we're going to actually grab the data to paste into your Google Sheet for your sales tracker. You're going to want to go to cell A2, so basically the top left, not including the headers. And I'm going to click and drag to highlight all the way down to the bottom of the column M, or the Build Hours column. And then I'm going to hit Control C in order to copy that. Next, we're going to pull up our Google Sheet for our sales tracker. Now in this case, this is just a picture, not a live sheet, but as you can see, the columns across the top are exactly the same as the ones we pasted from the Excel spreadsheet. We'll click in cell C2, right click and paste, and it will then paste the data from Protractor into your Google Sheet, and all of the columns out to the right will be calculated automatically. Thank you very much, and once again, this has been Scott Thorley with AMS Protractor.